Hey guys, this is Tony, and today we're going to take a look at the Simoniz Ceramic Liquid Wax. So this wax is actually 16 ounces or 473 milliliters. This was actually purchased at a store called Canadian Tire. For those who are not familiar with it, it's similar like a Lowe's or Home Depot, with maybe a little bit of a Walmart kind of mixed in without the food part, of course. But they sell a lot of automotive parts and car detailing products. So this product is actually pretty competitive. Actually, the Simoniz liquid ceramic wax is regular price at $16.99. I saw this on sale for $8.43, so about roughly half price. I thought to myself, I definitely want to try this. It was something I wanted to look at before, but now with this incentive, about 50% off, I thought, let's give it a shot. So I will be demonstrating this for you, and we'll take a look if it's right up there with other ceramic waxes. Stay tuned.
All right, so we're going to begin by putting 3 dabs on the applicator pad. Again, you don't want to put too much because, again, at the end of the day, you don't want to have, especially when you're wiping it down afterwards, a white chalky residue. So again, you just want to kind of spread it around the panel you're working with. And once you kind of spread it around, again, rubbing around circles, this is definitely what you want to do when you're applying waxes. Simoniz actually mentioned that if you put a second coat, even better in terms of protection. But again, this is going to be a 1 coat, and ideally you don't want to put too much on the first applicator. Just like I mentioned earlier, you just want to make sure if you're doing 2 coats, then just put it lightly on the pad so you're not overdoing it. So once you apply it all around this panel, Simoniz mentions in the instructions that you require 5 minutes for curing time. So you just wait 5 minutes, and you'll get a clean microfiber cloth and just wipe it down. Again, you want to make sure you kind of let it haze before you do that. So I let it sit for 7 minutes actually, and as you can see, put my finger around it. It is ready to go. So we get a clean microfiber cloth, and I'm wiping it down and actually finding it very easy to remove this wax. Again, very important not to rush it. Make sure it hazes. Put your finger to test it along, and you see it's really clear, you're good to go. If it's still hazy, then you let it sit to cure a little longer. But as you're seeing it, it's looking phenomenal. This is really easy to apply and actually remove. And you're seeing the really, really shiny gloss and slickness actually on this panel. It's looking really sharp, and really becoming impressed with this particular ceramic wax. Again, duration and durability in due time we'll find out specifically, but Simoniz does mention about 6 months, a little over 6 months for protection. So I'm just going to flip over my microfiber cloth and actually just finish the wipe down for any other residue I just might have missed. And actually it is looking quite good, as you can see. What a reflection, what a gloss. And again, very slick surface. It's looking really great. So let's take a little closer look now. Finish wiping it down. So let's take a look at it a little further. As you can see, just looking really, really sharp. Just seeing a huge reflection, phenomenal polish shine on this ceramic wax. And again, the surface felt really slick, and this is a 1 coat. So 2 coats would be really, really fantastic. And yeah, just right now, again, not only for the value, because the value was quite good, but price-wise, but this is really, really slick and looks fantastic. So I waxed the whole car, and here's the final result. Again, this has been a phenomenal experience using this ceramic wax. Again, looking at the price, one might think, well, it must be cheap and not effective, but it was really easy to remove. The gloss is phenomenal, and again, the protection is based on Simoniz up to about 6 months, maybe a little bit more. But overall, this is, again, look at the mirror look on this black finish. And it's very slick as well. Again, really, really and truly impressed with the Simoniz Ceramic Liquid Wax, and I would definitely recommend it. So now putting it to the test and pouring water, as you can see, the amount of sheeting and beading is just incredible. The water just sheets out real quick, and the beading as well, just quickly dissipating, as you can see on the hood, just pouring water. Yeah, wow, this is actually quite good. Really impressed with the results.
Well, thanks everyone for watching this video on the Simoniz Ceramic Liquid Wax. This is actually a really great product. It was something I definitely recommend. It was easy to apply. The cure time didn't take very long to buff off, and this doesn't require any cure time. Like some products require 24 hours before you apply another coat. This is not the case at all. So you can apply a second coat if you want for even further added protection. So again, this is not only great value, because you don't want to look at just getting something low cost. It's got to work well too. And I must say, this definitely is a good value, and the product looks really great. The water beading and sheeting was just phenomenal. I'll look forward to a longer term test to see how long it does bead and sheet accordingly. So I'll definitely keep everyone posted. Well, thanks again everyone for watching this video. God bless, and see you in the next video.